It's a customized approach for that individual. What's the process you take someone through to kind of identify, well, am I buying a duplex? How do I get to that $400 million portfolio that Matt was just talking about? Do I buy single families? How do I do that? And how do I use, can I use a piece of my retirement account, my self-directed account? I've also got some cash on hand. Maybe I have some money in the mattress. Like, how do you put all those pieces together?
Yeah, so the very first thing that we're going to do when a client books a phone call is to have a deep dive conversation about their goals, first and foremost. What are they looking to accomplish? And then I really like to focus in on their pain points. So, do they have retirement accounts currently that are underperforming or haven't, performed at the level of their expectations over the last few years? So just really finding those pain points, those opportunities, and seeing if what we add is going to bring value, to that client. There's a multitude of ways you can get into real estate, self-directed just being one of those. I think more and more what I'm hearing on the calls, it's individuals looking for more control over their returns, the investment classes, looking for more tangible assets. Those are words, when I hear those, they're kind of key words that make me think, okay, maybe self direction can add some value. And then on the property side, then it is just about making sure we're targeting properties that can be qualified for non recourse financing if that individual is looking to leverage, or maybe they don't have quite enough to come in and do a full cash purchase on a property. So, you talked a little bit about starting from zero. There are opportunities that we can really assist and help clients get in, utilizing some non-recourse financing and kind of get the ball rolling with some financing options on our side as well.